everyone, today we will talk about how to solve TikTok inbox. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok inbox, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page, you will go down to find the application of TikTok and you will enter here. Then in this page you will go down to click first stop. After that, you will enter to storage. When you will see this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. When you will end all this, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.